And that just behind us is Brisbane.
Brizzy.
That's where we're exploring next, over the next couple of days.
Just there.
Just there. These are just big trees that have just shrunk down in size. The majority of them are older than us.
Are they?
Yeah, it's cool. We're visiting the botanical gardens of Brisbane, and they're pretty good so far.
They're amazing, actually. Like,
yeah,
really, really cool.
I underestimated the beauty of a garden because my gardens don't look like this.
Well, we're like travelling around the world as we walk in this walk a mile in these Louboutins.
Yeah, it's really cool. You've got cactuses, ferns, random plants,
tropical domes,
lizards.
Japanese gardens.
I wonder what's in the fern house.
Ferns.
Huh. Ferns? Hello?
Hello. The fern called. He wants his joke back.
And now we're in Cactus World.
Cacti land.
Cacti Land.
This is lovely, actually. I'm actually like thoroughly enjoying it. I think I'm now a plant person. I can't keep plants alive. They always die in my care. I don't know what I do wrong.
That's why we haven't got any. That's why we come to gardens to look at them instead.
Yeah, they're safer here than with me. There's something rustling behind me. Sounds big, but I think it's probably just a bush turkey.
There's a person. So we have just arrived at our dog sit for the next 4 days with a lovely, lovely girl called Coda. And she
is double the size than I thought she was going to be.
Huge, but so amazing. Hello, darling. Oh.
She's like a big marshmallow. Should we roast you on the campfire? No. Oh, you big marshmallow. So we are going to enjoy our evening with this big marshmallow, and we will see you tomorrow for some exploring.
Say bye, Coda.
Say bye, Coda.
Bye. We have arrived in Brisbane. We've been here for 0.5 of a day, and today is day 1. Day 1.5, I would say, actually. We're going out to explore Brisbane. We've also got a new tripod, and I absolutely hate it because our old tripod could have like, it had like a tilty thing, and you could like tilt it like this, but this one's just so like straight up like a beanstalk, and yeah, it doesn't work for me, unfortunately. I have to do this every damn time we come into a car park. Yeah, go. Keep going. Yeah, you're good. Damn, that was close though. That was real close.
Really?
Yeah.
How close?
Like millimeters. All right, maybe not millimeters, but a couple inches.
You actually take
A couple inches.
the mick.
You get like this much, I think.
So we're probably 1.95, like we thought.
What is going on? What is going on? What are parking attendants? And why are we parking in the middle of like 4 cars? We're trapped. What's going on? So some guy's been running after us telling us where to park. Apparently here there's parking attendants and they tell you where to park. So we're parked there, but there's also a space here and there's someone in front of us. So if someone parks in front of us, we're done for.
I think that's why he asked when we're leaving, but I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, that was the first time we've experienced anything like that. Someone telling us where to park in a car park. Is that a normal thing in Brisbane?
It must be.
Because we haven't experienced that anywhere else on our trip
And
so
I think
far.
a lot of these car parks, you book a space as well.
Possibly, yeah.
We're in the lane of fish. Hosier Lane in Melbourne, which is like graffiti art everywhere and it's really cool, but it kind of was, but not really.
Quite underwhelming actually, compared to what I thought it was, or what you told me it would be.
Well, what I thought it was going to be as well. So now we're going to go to the Queensland Museum, which actually looks really cool. And it's free.
Let's go. This is cool. Imagine making this thing. Look at it. It's pretty nice. Right, that is a termite skyscraper. What do you think, Jazz? Dinosaurs, did they exist?
Well, I'm skeptical a little bit.
But there's a whole thing right there.
How do you know yourself that's real bone?
I don't.
You're just trusting them.
My opinion is undisclosed.
I don't really have one, but like I've only just started to deep it like literally like 5 minutes ago. Suddenly thought, actually, did dinosaurs ever actually exist?
Maybe not. Who knows? Let us know what you think. I mean, look at that big thing. That doesn't look real. You have been found.
I was studying the
captured.
spiders because I needed to take in what was going to kill me and what wasn't, so I knew what it looked like.
Good job. So I don't know if you can see this properly on camera, but like there's like a mist in the air.
City fog.
Yeah. We haven't experienced that anywhere else, apart from here. So I wonder what the air quality's like.
Bad, probably.
Yeah. Is that museum worth it?
I think so. It's free, and you get to see like loads of. There was loads of taxidermy animals,
Yeah, it was cool.
which
It
was kind of cool.
different to other museums that we've been visiting, because they're normally quite like similar, all of the same, but
Yeah,
this one's slightly different to what we visited. So if you're in Brisbane and you
I
want
rate
a
it.
free activity, go to the museum.
there was
Was it
also just Queensland Museum,
Oh, okay,
Museum of Queensland.
Yeah.
There was also real animals in there as well, like a couple. There was
Yeah,
one
like
snake
snakes and stuff. It was
and
really odd.
some stick insects. And
Yeah,
stuff.
but
Which was
as
cool.
far as museums go,
Rate it.
I'd say
it was good.
And this is our view. That is the city of Brisbane. Oh, they're whale sounds.
Whole ride, just walking.
So, oh my, yeah, wrong timing. So, Modern Art Museum. It's all right.
Quite small, but
But
good.
if you, it's free. But if you haven't got time, I'd probably give it a miss because
Yeah.
there's not much going in there, and obviously it changes all the time. We can't speak for every
Exhibition.
yeah, but
Unless you're really, really into art.
so if you haven't got that much time,
Yeah, give it a miss.
maybe do something else. You enjoying that? Nice. We're now going to see the Brisbane Sign because
We're tourists.
we're tourists and we're going to go take a picture of it because we can. Happy?
Yep. Gotta stay hydrated.
Turn around then. Sipper. You're a sipper. That's Brisbane. Heading back to the car now
We are.
after a hard day of exploring.
Yeah, very long. We covered many, many miles.
We did.
Now we're gonna go home. Where are we?
Stuck in the left.
No, shut up. Don't. No, please don't.
Which floor are we going to? 1.
No, actually don't. We're meant to be going to B1.
Door's open, don't worry guys.
That is my worst nightmare, this one, at getting lifts, and I actually thought we were stuck.
I saw the fear in your face.
No, I think I might need to get out. No, I'm getting a bit hot. No. Did you do that?
What?
No, I'm getting out. There's gotta be stairs.
This is the safer option, right?
Yeah. I'm never getting in a lift again.
$9, mate.
Daylight
Damn.
robbery.
Came back and we were blocked in, but they take the keys off the people that are blocking the other cars in to let us back out, which is quite clever. First thoughts on Brisbane. It's a cross between Melbourne and Sydney.
Yeah, it's like a mixture.
It's pretty cool, but we've still got a lot of exploring to do, so
I don't like this city
I'm going to hold
smog.
judgment. It might just be today.
Yeah, if it isn't just today though, I've got a real problem with that.
Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. What is that on your arm?
Coffee.
Are you sure?
Yes. James gave me his coffee cup saying, oh yeah, it's empty, don't worry. And I'm walking briskly and it comes out the top. There's still loads in it and now it's all over my arm.
Great. That was Memory Bridge.
Story bridge.
Pretty cool. I didn't get my phone out much because I was scared I was going to drop it off the side.
Even though you're literally like 2 meters from the
And
side.
it's very high up, so if you don't like heights, don't come up here. I warn you. Josie's scared of heights, but
And I felt dizzy and lightheaded the whole way over.
oh, yeah. So if you're scared of heights, don't come up here.
Am I pointing to it?
Yeah.
This is Story Bridge. I think it's the most famous bridge in Brisbane, like the main bridge. Don't quote me on that. If it's not, sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
So this is one of the free ferries, I think, and it's called the Kitty Cat rather than the Cat because it's a mini one of the big one.
I keep trying to get it on camera and you keep walking in
Sorry.
front. I keep trying to fan to it. Kitty cat.
Meow. I also heard on TikTok that if you meow, you're hot, so meow.
Interesting. And we're heading to...
The CBD.
Let's go. What do we look for everywhere we go?
Stickers for our laptop.
Yeah.
What about that one?
There's a bit of a souvenir.
No, I prefer that one. I think that one's
I
prettier.
prefer this one, actually. We are currently in the Museum of Brisbane, not the Museum of Queensland like we were yesterday, but the Museum of Brisbane. And we have found our way into a very lovely, what is it called?
Auditorium.
Auditorium. And it's pretty cool, so we thought we'd sit down. We're in a pretty cool spot. This spot's just open to the public.
It's like a viewing balcony.
Yeah. Let's go. So we're now exploring the city botanical gardens. First impressions are the other botanical gardens were a bit better, so we're going to go explore a bit deeper. We're heading to...
The rainforest area, because that's my favourite.
Nice. Let's go explore. So you haven't seen much of me today. That's because Josie's using me as donkey/camel. I'm carrying the bag.
It's a blue job.
I'm being the camera, and I'm being the cameraman, so... Yeah, that's why Josie's the star of the show today.
It's because I give off celeb energy.
Celeb energy.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm one of those people that when you see them walking down the street, you're like, she's got to be famous. That's why you always point the camera at me, because it's just my aura. Sorry, you either got it or you don't. You don't, I do.
Anyway, it's a really weird vibe being in like a botanical garden like this and then looking behind and seeing like a city view.
It's pretty cool though with the palm trees.
Yeah, but I would want to be in like these buildings here because then you have essentially a massive garden. If anyone gives off celebrity vibes, by the way, it's me.
No. Ew, ew, ick. We're here.
Wow,
you know-
how did you know?
I'm psychic, telepathic, I just know. Anyway, we're here and we want to go there.
We found it. It's just a rainforest in the middle of Brisbane.
I think it's cool. The rainforests of the botanical gardens, always the best bit.
Yeah.
Undisputed, always.
Undisputed.
Yeah, always the best.
You don't want to stand there, do you? Just go on, stand here for 2 seconds.
No, they don't actually look fresh. I think they've moved house.
They've moved house.
None of them are fresh.
And they have not cleaned their toilet. How dare they?
I feel sorry for the new people moving in.
So we're going to head up to City Beach now, and Josie's going to have a little swim.
I think it's called Streets Beach, but it's
Streets
like
Beach.
It's like a pool, like a big outdoor public pool.
In the middle of the city, which is pretty cool.
It's really cool. I think this part's normally like the good part, but it's closed for maintenance. It is winter, so fair enough. But there's another bit over there that I think is still open, so I can still go for a swim. It's icy.
Go for it. Dip.
No, that's like ice cold.
Just throw yourself in.
Bro. I mean, where else can you go for a swim in a pool in the middle of a city?
Good question.
I don't know.
That was absolutely freezing.
That was the coldest
But
swim we've done.
It was like an ice bath. We now feel 10 times better.
Yeah.
We're going to get dry and then we're going to head back to the car. So we're getting on the kitty cat.
I think we are, yeah.
Let's do it.
Meow. Meow.
Service heading down to Sydney Street. Next stop, Maritime Museum, then